respected Principal, Brother Lawrence D'Souza, respected Vice Principal, Brother Bala Reddy, respected teachers, parents, and my dear students. Good morning, one and all. Today, 21st June, we are celebrating International Yoga Day. The proposal was first introduced by our Prime Minister, Mr. Narendra Modi, in his address during the opening of the 69th session of the General Assembly, in which he said yoga is an invaluable gift from ancient tradition. Yoga is essentially an extremely subtle science which focuses on bringing harmony between mind and body. It is an art and science from the Sanskrit root yuj, meaning to join or unity. It brings together physical and mental discipline to achieve a peaceful mind and healthy body. It helps manage stress and anxiety and keeps you relaxed and fit. So let's make yoga a part of our daily routine. Join us in doing yoga. Stay at home. Stay safe.
Prayer. Take a long breath. Breathe out. Breathe in. Breathe out. Yogena chittasya padena vajam malam sarirasya cha vaidyakena yopakarotam pravaram muninam patanjalim pranjali Ranatosmi. Stand erect. Put your legs 3 feet apart. Turn your right leg right side. With inhale, stretch your hands to the shoulder level and bend side. Keep your right hand beside right leg. Twist your head and see the palm. Hold this position, 3 counting, 1, 2, 3. With inhale, lift up your body. Now opposite side, twist your left leg, 90 degrees left side. With exhale, stretch your body and bend side. Keep your left hand, left side, twist your head, see the palm. Now hold this position, 3 breathings, 1, 2, 3. With inhale, lift up your body. Now slowly relax your hands. Come back to position. Fold your left leg, place under the hip. Hold your right leg. This is called Vajrasan. Now we are performing Ustrasan. Kneel down. Now there is no gap between my knees. Take gap between the knees if you are beginners. With inhale, raise your right hand. Hold your ankle. Then raise your left hand. Hold your left ankle. Try to push your back. Hold this position. 3 breathings. 1, 2, 3. Release your right hand. Then release your left hand. Sit in Vajrasan. And come back to normal position. Fold your both legs as much as possible to sit. Hold ankles tight and with inhale lift your hip. For good pressure, try to touch your collarbone to the chin. Maintain asana for 3 breathings. 1, 2, 3. With exhale, bring down the hip. Then release the ankle. Straight your legs, come to relaxing position. Inhale and raise the feet together around 45 degrees from the mat. Raise the head, chest, hands back from the mat. The buttocks should be placed firmly on the mat. Hands should be straight in front, parallel to each other. Holding this position 5 breathings. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Now slowly put down your head. Come to normal position. Lay down asanas. Feet together. Place your hands beside the chest. With inhale, lift your body up to lower abdomen. Try to expand your shoulder as possible as you can. Hold this position 3 breathings. 1, 2, 3. With exhale, put down. Come back to relaxed position. Gently fold your legs so as to bring them towards the hips. Catch hold of the ankles with the hands. With inhale, raise the head and chest and legs. Now try to stretch your upper body and legs as much as possible. Hold this position 3 breathings. 1, 2, 3. Slowly down. Release your hands. Release your legs. Come to normal position. Now pranayamas. Sit in Padmasanam or Vajrasanam or a comfortable position. Close the right nostril with right thumb and breathe from left nostril. Then close left nostril with the small and ring finger and breathe out from the right nostril. Now breathe in deeply with right nostril and then close the right nostril and breathe out deeply with the left nostril. Repeat the exercises for 10 times to begin with. Inhale, exhale, inhale, exhale, inhale, exhale. Now relax. Keep your hands in Chin Mudra. Now Bhastrika Pranayama. Keep the head and spine straight. Take a deep breath and breathe out forcefully through the nose. Now deep inhale, raise your hands above the head and forcefully exhale, put down your hands. Again, repeat like this 4 times. Inhale up, exhale down, inhale up, exhale down, inhale up, exhale down, inhale up, exhale down. Relax. Now meditation. Spine erect. Smile on your face. Concentration on your breathing. Inhale. Exhale. Inhale. Exhale. Inhale. Exhale. Inhale. Exhale. Now rub your both hands. Slowly put it on your eyes. See your palms and open your eyes.
Happy International Yoga Day. Be with yoga. Be